Hey, welcome back to your channel. I hope y'all doing well. Today we're gonna be installing some brand new light bulbs to the headlights to the Raptor 700, and these right here turned out well. You can always just let me know in the comments, and I'll just leave a link down below so y'all can pick up. Y'all I got these from Amazon, by the way. And with that being said, yeah, let's get straight into it. So right now we are on the right side of the Raptor, right behind the headlight. So what you should see is a little like rubber piece that going like covering the wires and stuff. You should see like this little tab. Once you find it, all you have to do is just pretty much, first it's gonna be like that. All you have to do is pretty much just pop it off. It shouldn't be too hard. And right now what you should see is a whole bunch of wires. And going to them wires, that actually the light bulb. So this is the part that's kind of tricky, because like these wires are definitely sensitive. You don't want to rip them, tear them, anything like that, so your lights, won't be working. So what you do is you go behind it, behind the wires. You might can't see it, but I'm gonna walk you through it. You want to press in. You should feel once you press in, you should be able to feel like it goes in a little bit. So you probably can see my hand moving, but I'm pressing in slightly. And what you should do is be able to turn. Let's see, turn to the left, and it should look something like this right here. Okay, we finally got the light bulb out, and mine was stuck. Yours probably won't be. Mine was actually so stuck that I decided to make a whole separate video on how to get it unstuck on something I just really came up with. So yeah, speaking of video, if you're liking the video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Always good to hear what y'all guys say. Okay, so this right here pretty much the easy part. So as you see, you got a new light bulb right here. And what you're gonna do is just try to slide that in there. You want to make sure it goes in there nice and even and flushed all the way in. And what you do now is pretty much is get this right here, and pretty much gonna be the same thing. You want to make sure you peel this part right here back, and just slide in there and just twist it. Oh, okay, finally found it. Like I said, it's something you definitely gotta take the time to do, because you don't want to break anything trying to put it in there. All you gotta do is just flip this back around. You want to keep that tab. Okay, so I got the other side on the right side to install. So I'm not gonna show it, because it's basically the same way on the left side, but I am gonna show you how they look in the dark and how they perform. So stick around. Okay, this is really gonna be the test. I'm in the black dark in my shop. The plan was for me to ride down the road, but I just didn't have enough time with me on, working and stuff. And with that being said, please subscribe, like, comment, because I was good at what y'all gotta say. And there we go. So right now, that's low beam, and this right here is high beam. So it's pretty good difference. And yeah, they actually came out pretty nice. I'm very curious to see how this right here would drive on the road. They definitely look a lot brighter than the old ones I had, and yeah. And I also had a problem with my other set, that one side was high and the other side was low. When I go from high to low beam, and that was high at the same time. So yeah, I actually like how they came out. And mine was stuck, and I'm also gonna make a video on that as well, so stay tuned. And yeah, y'all take it easy.